Hello everyone and welcome back to the Thread Life. Today's video is all about this flip over method install, but we're going to make it crochet. I'm not even going to hold y'all. Let's get directly into the video. Starting off with the braid down, you want to section off a strip of leave out in front of your braid down. I know, I probably lost a lot of the girls once I said the word leave out, but trust me, you will be able to make this a low maintenance style. Just trust the process. You're going to get that leave out of the way, and then we're going to move on to the braid down. This braid down was highly lazy, and honestly, I almost took it back a few years and went to a lazy girl crochet install, but I said, at least let me do a little bit of a braid down. We're going to get that braid down done in 1, 2, 3, and just like that, we got our 5 braids. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, and they most definitely were not tight. You'll see that I didn't do straight backs, but I brought them off from a center point in my head. I'm gonna go in with my 7 petal just to make sure my scalp is good and moisturized, and then from there we're gonna go directly into talking about the hair that we'll be using today, which is from QVR hair. I have their 22-inch water wave human hair, and the thing that is so unique about this hair is that, again, it is human hair, and they constructed it so that each side of the human hair piece is held together by a string. And honestly, when I first looked at these packs, I didn't think that they were going to be enough, but there's at least 32 pieces in each pack of hair, so I didn't even end up needing every single pack. I opened all the packs, but I still had a little left over. So first things first, we're just gonna go in and you would tie this hair just like you would do any traditional crochet, and then I did do an additional knot for the ones in the back. You'll see once I get to the top that I no longer had to do that, but I just wanted to start on the side so I could see what the construction of these pieces were given, and as you can see, is doing what it's supposed to. So now I'm just going to go in piece by piece, fill in the back. And this installation portion of the video of the style is so self-explanatory that I'm just going to let you watch it. You just put your crochet needle through the hair, open up that needle, hook the rope piece on, and then you're going to pull it back once your needle is closed. You're going to tie it around a couple of times, and then again, I shoelace tied mine once more for good measure in the back. You will no longer have to do that once you get past the occipital bone into the top of your hair. But let's just keep filling in these pieces, and I'll talk to y'all in a second.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. I love some music, but
Here's how we're looking after installing a pack and a half. So like I said, these packs really do stretch further than you would expect. I don't think I mentioned it in the prior clip concerning the hair, but I did have 5 packs altogether, and I ended up using about 4.5. And the key to filling in an install that doesn't have many braids or the traditional straight backs is to feed the hair in from both sides. So there were times where I crocheted in from the right side of the braid as well as the left side of the braid, and then I did have those one-offs where I needed a space to fill in, where I would do it on what wasn't quite the braid but was kind of between braids. And that's the beauty of doing it with crochet pieces, is that you can fill in just about anywhere as long as it's not pulling too much on your natural hair.
so I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it's okay for you. Take a day or two, get your mind together, sing it with me, say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. Yeah, I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender.
Like I previously mentioned, you'll see now that I'm closer to the top, I'm no longer having a shoelace knotted. It was at this very moment that I realized this style was itch friendly, which we gotta love that. The quick weaves could never. and the sewings could hardly. Now don't get me wrong, I still love my quick weaves, I love my sewings, I love my U parts, my units, but crocheting this hairstyle is just another alternative for you to get the flip over look and the flip over versatility if you want to use crochet hair, or if you want to do a crochet install that is very simple and easy to do at the house, but you hate, like I do, the seams, the very visible seams that often come along with crochet that does not have the flip over option or any leave out attached to it. QVR simply snapped with the engineering of how you can install these pieces, as well as how lightweight the hair is, the texture of the hair, the quality of the hair. They really did their big one, and I don't know that I would ever do crochet that isn't human hair ever again. Even though the OG subscribers, the Lazy Girl Crochet girls, have been asking for it, if you want to see the crochet installs, human hair will have to be the way. We're going to continue filling this in, and then I'll check back with y'all when it comes to the styling. But again, you just want to make sure that all the gaps are filled in, you have no spaces, and you have that nice seamless flip over, as you can see that I do have here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, to thee, my blessed Savior, I surrender. I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, 'cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. 'Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, 'cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game to trying to sell.
Now that we have all of the crochet hair added in, I'm just going to add some face frame and layers to make it look more natural. You'll also see that I took some of the length off of the bottom just to give it, again, more of a natural feel. I didn't want this look to be too long, and right above bra strap length seemed to be the perfect length for the look that I was going for. I love that you can brush through this hair. Once it's in, you no longer remember the fact that it is crochet, and it just gives you all the bundle feels. And because it's human hair, you can manipulate it the same way that you would your bundles. Now I'm just applying my wax stick to my leave out to get ready and go ahead and blend that, and I'm taking my edges out so I can mold those as well. The key to blending your leave out with the curly hair is taking a small piece of the human hair as well as your natural hair and curl wanding them together with hairspray added. And again, because it's human hair, you can apply heat and not have to worry about it melting onto your hot tool. It's all good. And I found that whenever I curled toward my face with this look, with any flip over method, honestly, curling towards your face tends to be the best outcome, or the best way to get the best outcome. Normally the rule of thumb is to curl away from your face, but this is the one time where you want to make sure that you're curling towards your face, so you're seeing more of the install hair and as little of your leave out as possible. Let's finish blending this leave out and lay these edges so we can get into the final look, and I can show y'all some styles and the versatility of this hairstyle.
Tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're feeling, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I
Here is the final look, and it honestly gives, is that a half a wig? Is it a quick weave? Is it a sewing? And whole time, girl, it's just a little crochet one too. It looks so full from the back. The length is perfect. And once again, this hair is just chef's kiss. This style is very beginner friendly, so just about anyone can accomplish this at the house for the low. I did want to show y'all the texture close up, and we're going to get into some of the ways that I styled it. You can open it up in the middle if you want to go for more of a middle no part look, or you can do a half up, half down with a ponytail, a mid style half up, half down. I claw clipped it, but my favorite out of all the ways to style this is to take my front section up and apply a few bobby pins and let the rest of the hair just fall over the front of my face. And I've had this hair in for about a week now, and this has been the way that I've worn it the most, just because it's so easy. You don't have to keep applying heat to your leave out. And I did also want to wet it down so that you can see how it looks in its wet form, but I haven't wet it since I did it in this video. I just get up and go, twist it up into your bonnet and keep it moving. I love this style right here. I'm like, yeah, absolutely, this is it. I wasn't sure, but I trusted the process and it paid off. And here I'm just telling you, prepare to be sick of me. Be sure to check out QVR hair. All of the links will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, send in all the love, and it won't be long before we're back with another hair tutorial. Later.